Welcome back. Well, welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul, Chef Amy, and with
Hi.
me is Chef Alex.
Hello.
Finally, nobody's in bed. Everybody's ready to eat. We're all hungry. I know Amy is because she's always hungry. If she doesn't eat her meal today, she's not getting her Frosty. She probably still won't get her Frosty anyways. But
Hey!
this is our mushroom melt Waggu burger. So please stay tuned and we will show you more. Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Amy. With me is Chef Poul. I'm Chef Poul. Chef Alex, he's finally back. We almost
Hello.
forgot about he existed. So we're going to do a mushroom melt burger today. We're using Wagyu burgers. So it's going to be really, really good. So we got the burgers being roasted right now. Yeah, they're not exactly, they're pre-formed from the butcher.
But they
So-
smell really good.
Oh, and they taste
Yeah.
even better. So I've got this pan's heating up, and to do our base for our burgers, we're going to be using mushrooms and onion. We have a special guest here today. It's actually from Moncton, moving to BC. So I'm going to do this in here, and we're going to start cooking this. It takes about 15, maybe 20 minutes to get everything all come down. And of course, my one of my dishwashers is going to be busy tonight. And when I say one of my dishwashers, I mean Amy. But that's all right. She don't mind. Tell you a funny story. I made homemade Frosties today. I had her convinced I ate them all. Look at her expression. I ate all the Frosties, Amy. She wasn't too happy with me, I'll tell you that. I mean, I think she was almost ready to divorce.
No,
She doesn't know, but I think she was.
no.
I'm going to put a little pepper and a little bit of no salt. Usually I don't want salt, but I want this to be a little bit more, I want it to be a little bit more moist and wet when it comes out. So we want to mix this around so it's a good mix of onion and mushrooms. So if I have all mushrooms on one side and no onions, then yeah, it's not going to work out too well. See, lots of people do this on the barbecue. We don't have a barbecue. At least not the big, expensive, fancy kinds that they have, and we'll never have that. Not here anyways, because quite frankly, those barbecues are pretty big. We don't have that big of a deck.
You could get a small one.
Yeah, but to do the stuff that you see in those shows, like
Yeah.
you need the big grill, then you need like a pan grill that's flat without the holes, right? You can get a small one, sure, but not necessarily that good. So what you're going to do is you're going to cook your burgers so the burgers are done, and then you're going to cook this. This takes about 15-20 minutes. Mushrooms, as they get cooked out, they do shrink, right? So take your time, cut your onions and your mushrooms, give it its fair time. Now, a few things that you're going to want to know. Number one, for sauce, we're choosing to use garlic aioli. It's a specialized Hellmann's mayo mix. Number two, pick out some good cheese. I know Amy picked out Swiss, but doing a little bit of research today, I chose something a little different. We're going to use Amy's favorite, Gouda. And we're also going to use some spinach instead of lettuce. And for the buns, do not cheap out on the buns. That is the worst thing you'll ever do and the stupidest thing you'll ever do. Get a nice bun that fits that actually goes comfortably. We look in the oven, we got some homemade french fries in there, so we're definitely going to have some fries on there. Now the only one that's going to sit here and whine about having a supersized,
No,
we're going to eat like normal people today, Amy.
I usually do.
I'm sorry for trolling you about the Frosty.
Alright.
I might give her a little bit. What do you think, Alex?
No.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
And we'll have the rest.
Yep. I'm actually going to find a little container so I can bring some with me to work tomorrow, and I can get any send Amy home or to work with. So
Yeah, that'll be good.
now as this cooks down, you're gonna smell this. It's got a really nice fragrance to it. Now some people are gonna sit and say, well, let's spice that up. Let's put no.
You don't need that.
You don't need that because all of a sudden you're gonna taste a whole lot more than just the mushrooms.
Yeah.
When we put this on the burger, all I want to taste, really all I want to taste is just the mushrooms. I want to taste the mushrooms and onions. I don't want to taste anything else. And you notice how they're starting to shrink down now? That's what they're supposed to do. So, and it's all cooked down, those are done, and we're ready to serve and put together. This is a very easy video. Anybody can make this, anybody. We're gonna come back, but for now, cook this down so this is nice and cooked. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done. When the burgers are done, we'll put the burgers together, and I'm telling you, this is going to be a great
Really
burger.
good.
So we'll be back. Welcome back. So we're done. It's great. We got our fries already done here. You can spice those whatever way you want. Not important.
No.
So first of all, I'm going to put some garlic aioli. Mayo. And I'm just going to take a moment and put that on everybody's so I don't have to keep running. So I look like I'm running around with my head cut off.
And that stuff's really good.
It is. If you can find it, they got a bunch of different flavors. So you can get a whole lot of them. So I'm going to start off by taking one burger.
I'm gonna guess that one's gonna be Amy's taste test.
Yeah, I think so. It's alright to have a little bit running around.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw this. Let me just put this in Tupperware.
Yeah, we can do that.
I'm not gonna sit and fight with this.
No.
I hate those packages that look like you should be able to open it without scissors, but you really can't.
So a little bit of lettuce, so 2 slices
Spinach.
of cheese, and then we're gonna put some spinach. That's what we're actually using.
That looks really good.
That looks really good.
And there we go. What do you guys think?
Yum.
I think that looks really good.
right, so that is my mushroom Wagyu burger. What do you guys think?
Looks delicious.
So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. It does mean the world to us, so please, we really do appreciate it. You guys have a great day.